Want to skyrocket your Walmart sales fast? Do this simple move once and watch the results. Now, this is going to be the below the fold content. We've got our peanut butter right here, and we scroll down, and that jiffin good. So you can see there's photos in the description. This does help credibility and increase conversion rate and overall sales. So here's an example of what we are going to be implementing. Coca-Cola does it the best. Obviously, they're the best at marketing. But if you type in Coca-Cola, you'll see they have a lot of information on there. So they got some photos right here, and they're all playing, and they're enjoying their Coca-Cola, which is really, really nice. Again, this does increase sales. And you can see right here, it's called enhanced brand content or below the fold content on Walmart. And there's a 20% boost in customer engagement. So the more engagement you get, the more you can generate sales. And we're going to implement that. You're just going to go to OptiWise.ai. There should be a link right in the description. Once you're there, you're going to click sign up for free. Once you sign up, they're just going to have you connect your Walmart account right here, connect Walmart. Once it's connected, it's going to take about 24 hours to sync all of your listings. Sometimes it might be faster, but once you sync all of your listings, you're going to go to catalog, click on one of your listings, and it's going to look like this. It's going to be a big page and just show you all of your listings. You just click on one. Once you click on one, you click enhanced brand content right here. It takes you all the way down, and now you can implement it right away. So you click edit. And now what you can do is you can, if there is A+ content on Amazon or enhanced brand content on Amazon, you can just type in the Amazon URL and automatically import it to Walmart, right? So that's going to be the easiest way. If not, you can just click create and you can create it from scratch if you want. But if you automatically import it from Amazon, it will take around 4 hours. But then after 4 hours, it's going to be showing on Walmart's website under your item ID. So this is going to be the fastest and the quickest and the simplest way to implement below the fold content, also called enhanced brand content, also called A+ content. They're all the same. All right. Once you implement it, again, it's going to take 4 hours, and it is completely free, I believe, for the first 5 listings on OptiWise. So it is a win-win. You might as well implement this while you can and get ahead, because there's not many competitors doing it. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.